Good morning students. Welcome back to English class. A new day, a new blessings, a new hope. Have a nice day. Today you are going to learn direct speech and indirect speech. It is also called as reported speech and narration. This is very important topic. The students, those are going to write the board exam. Let us discuss what is direct speech and indirect speech. If we repeat the words of a person exactly in his own words to someone, it is called a direct speech. See the example. Ravi said to Shekhar, I'm going to school. Indirect speech. If we express the essence of main points of a person's words with few modification, it is called indirect speech. See the example. Ravi told Shekhar that he was going to school. Let us try to understand the rules. Rules is very important to change the sentence from direct speech to indirect speech. So, you have to learn the rules. Let's see the comparison of direct speech and indirect speech. See the first one, direct speech. Inverted commas are used, whereas in indirect speech, no inverted commas are used. See the second one, all the punctuation marks is used. In indirect speech, comma is not used. Instead of comma, that is used. See the third one, a comma is used to separate the second part of the sentence. In indirect speech, no punctuation marks except full stop. So, from the comparison, you can identify the direct speech and indirect speech. Rules for changing adverb, that is time and place. See the direct speech. Now, you have to change these words in indirect speech then. This means that. Today, that day. Yesterday, the day before. Tomorrow, the next day, the following day. Anyone you can write it. The next day or the following day. Last week, the previous week. Next month, the following month. Here, there, this, those. Thus, so. Hence, thence. Ago, before. These are the rules you have to change in adverb, that is time and place, in direct speech and indirect speech. Rules for changing pronoun. See the first one, subject. First person, I. You have to change in indirect speech, he, she. According to the gender, you have to write it. We, they. Second person, you. You have to change in indirect speech, he, she, they. See the second one, object. If it comes as object, first person, me, you have to change in indirect speech, him, her, based on the gender. As them. Second person, you. You have to change in indirect speech, him, her, them. See the third one, possessive. First person, my, his, her, or, their. Second person, your, his, her, their. These are the rules in pronoun. You have to use the first person and second person. Depends on the gender, you have to change and write it in indirect speech. Rules for changing tenses. See the direct speech and indirect speech. First one, direct speech. Present tense is, am, or. You have to change into past tense in indirect speech. Was, were. See the second one, past tense, was, were. You have to change into indirect speech, past perfect tense, had been. See the third one, present perfect tense, has, have. You have to change into indirect speech, past perfect tense, had. See the fourth one, past perfect tense, had. You have to change into past perfect tense. Same, there is no change. As it is, you have to write it had. Next one, will. Will means would. Can means could. Shall mean should. May means might. Must, had to. Do, did. Did, had. Like this, you have to change from direct speech to indirect speech. Next, there are four types of sentence: statement, imperative, exclamatory, interrogative. We will see the definitions and the rules. First one, statement or declarative sentence. It is a sentence that expresses a statement in general. It declares something. See the rules in statement, direct speech. Say, you have to write. In indirect speech, say. Said means said, you have to write it in indirect speech. Said to means you have to change and write it told. In statement, you have to remove comma in indirect speech instead of comma that you have to use in indirect speech. All these rules you have to use it in direct speech and indirect speech when you are changing the sentence. Next, imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is that in which command, order, advice, request. An imperative sentence can either end with full stop. See the rules. Infinitive verb to, we are going to use it. See the direct speech, said, said to. See the indirect speech, you have to change, order, command, advised, suggested, want, requested, that is please. Don't means you have to remove and add not to in indirect speech. In imperative sentence, you have to remove comma in indirect speech. Instead of comma, infinitive verb to you have to use in indirect speech. How to change the imperative sentence from direct speech to indirect speech? Go through the sentence and understand first whether the sentence is based on order, command, advised, suggested, want. According to the sentence, you have to use this word. If it is requested, that is please, you have to remove please. After the subject, you have to add requested. Exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence is the one in which sudden expressions of surprise, grief, joy, and fear are made. An exclamatory sentence always ends with the sign of exclamatory. See the rules. Direct speech, said, said to. In indirect speech, you have to change exclaimed. Next one, hooray, wow. You have to change and write it joyfully or with joy. Anyone, you can write it. Alas, ho. You have to change and write it sorrowfully or with sorrow. Anyone, you can write it. In exclamatory sentence, you have to remove comma in indirect speech. Instead of comma, use that. Interrogative sentence. It is a sentence in which question is asked. Thus, all the questions are interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence is always followed by question mark. There are two types of interrogative sentence. First one is or no type. Second one, WH questions. See the rules, direct speech and indirect speech. First one, direct speech. Said. You have to change into asked in indirect speech. Said to, you have to change and write it in indirect speech asked. Asked means same, you are going to write it in indirect speech asked. Yes or no type starts with helping verb or auxiliary verb. You have to remove comma and add if or whether, depends on the sentence. WH question. W means who, where, when, which, whom, what, whose, why. H means how much, how many, how long. You need not add anything. Only rules you have to change it and write it. Now let us try to understand with the example. See the statement. First example. She said, I'm happy now. Now we have to change into indirect speech. She, you are going to write it as it is. Said as it is, there is no change. Already I informed you, you have to remove the comma in statement Instead of comma, you have to use it that. So remove the comma, use that. I, you have to change it as she. Am also you have to change it as was. Happy, now. Now you have to change it as then. That is rules for changing adverb, that is time and place, you have to change it. She said that she was happy then. See the second example. He said to us, I'm tired of living in this noisy city. We have to change into indirect speech. He, you have to write it as it is. Said to means you have to change and write told. As, that is in pronoun, you have to change it them. I remove the comma, that you have to use it. I, you have to remove. He, you have to write it. Am, you have to change it. Was, you have to write it. Tired of living, you are going to write it as it is. In this, this means you have to change and write it that in time and place. Noisy city as it is. He told them that he was tired of living in that noisy city. Next one, imperative sentence. Once again, I'll repeat the rules. You have to remove the comma. Instead of comma, you have to use infinitive verb to. Don't, you have to remove. You have to use it not to in indirect speech. According to the sentence, you have to use it whether it is order, command, request, want, suggested. Based on the sentence, you have to use these words. Let's see the example now. See the first one. The master said the maid, keep the room clean. Maid means servant. So what type of sentence it is? Ordered. The master, you have to write as it is. You have to remove the said, write ordered. The maid, as it is, you are going to write it. Remove the comma. Instead of comma, you have to use to. Keep the room clean, as it is, you are going to write it. The master ordered the maid to keep the room clean. See the second example. Shyam's grandmother said to him, don't waste your time in unnecessary activities. So what is the grandmother is giving? Advised. Shyam's grandmother, you are going to write it as it is. You are going to remove the said to. Advised, you are going to write it. Him as it is. Remove the punctuation mark. Don't, you have to remove. Use not to. Waste, as it is, you are going to write it. Your, you are going to change it in pronoun. His. Time in unnecessary activities. Shyam's grandmother advised him not to waste his time in unnecessary activities. Third example, he said to him, please wait here till I return. See the sentence, please stay. Please means you have to use requested after the subject. You have to remove the please. After the subject, you have to use requested. Now we are going to change it as indirect speech. He, you are going to write as it is. Said to remove. Requested, you are going to use it. Him as it is. Then remove the comma. Instead of comma, to you have to use it. Wait as it is. Here you have to change it as in time and place there. Till as it is, you are going to write it. I means you have to change it as he. Returned. He requested him to wait there till he returned. Next, exclamatory sentence. See the first example. The old man said, alas, I have lost my bag. Now we have to change into indirect speech. The old man, as it is, you are going to write it. Said, remove the said. Exclaimed, you have to write it. Alas, remove the alas, sorrowfully. Then that you have to use it. I, you have to change it as he. Have, you have to change it as had. Lost, as it is, you have to write it. My means that is his bag. The old man exclaimed sorrowfully that he had lost his bag. Second example, Ron said, "Hooray, I have got the first prize." Now we have to change into indirect speech. Rom, as it is, you have to write it. You have to remove the said. Exclaimed, you have to use it. Then hooray, you have to remove. Hooray means joyfully. Next, that you have to use it. I, you have to change it as he. Have means you have to change it as had. Got the first prize. Rom exclaimed joyfully that he had got the first prize. Next, interrogative sentence. Always ends with question mark. First type, yes or no type. If or whether. See the first example. Ramesh said to her, "Can you help me?" Now we have to change into indirect speech. Ramesh, as it is, you have to write it. Said to, you have to remove. You have to write asked. Her, as it is, you have to write it. Then remove the punctuation marks. If, you have to use it. Then bring the you next to if. You have to change it as a pronoun she. Can, you have to change it as could. Help, as it is, you have to write it. Me, you have to change it as him. Ramesh asked her if she could help him. See the second example. Reena said to him, "Did you come here?" We have to change into indirect speech. Reena, as it is, you have to write it. You have to remove the said to, write asked. Him, as it is, remove the punctuation mark. Whether, you have to use the whether. Then bring the you first. You have to change it as he. Did means you have to change it as had. Come, as it is. Here means in time and place you have to change it as there. Reena asked him whether he had come there. Next, WH question. You need not change anything, only the rules you have to follow. You have to change the words. See the first example. She said to him, "Where are you working?" We have to change into indirect speech. She, you have to write as it is. Said to, you have to change it as asked. Him, as it is. Remove the punctuation mark. Where, you have to write as it is. Then bring the you first. You have to change it as he, or you have to change it as was. Working, as it is. She asked him where he was working. See the second example. Raju said to her, "How much you can give me?" We have to change into indirect speech. Raju, as it is, you have to write it. Said to, you have to remove. Asked, you have to write it. Her, you have to write it as it is. Remove the punctuation mark. How much, you have to write as it is. You have to change it as she. Can, you have to change it as could. Give, as it is, you have to write it. Me, you have to change it as him. Raju asked her how much she could give him. Dear students, watch the video, understand the concept, and study the rules of adverb, pronoun, tense, and types of sentence rules. And practice the exercise daily. Practice does not make perfect. Only perfect practice makes perfect. Work hard in silence. Let success be your noise.